All right, we are all set. Match number 54. Here we go. Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go.
And we are off into that autonomous period, and we've got all of the robots off the line. We've got a coral on that L1, two corals on L1 for that Red Alliance with 6 seconds left in the autonomous period. Going into the rest of the match, we've got Red coming in strong with a 15 points to Blue's 9 points. But we've got 2 minutes and 15 seconds to figure out how the rest of this plays out. 56-72 making good use of that ground intake, picking up that coral off the ground. Just barely missing it onto that reef. 68-75 lining up, just barely missing that first coral as well. Over on the red side, trying to get that coral, just barely missing that coral onto that third level there. We've got a coral onto L1 over here on the Blue Alliance. 49-40 clearing the algae off the reef, coming in to deliver it to the processor. 102-18 intaking that algae off the ground, going to deliver it to the processor as well. 68-75 headed over to the Red Alliance side, going to play some defense. 56-72 continuing to make use of their ground intake, the claws with those wheels to pick those algae up, pick the coral up off the ground and deliver them to that first level of the reef. Lots of algae going on in this match. That Blue Alliance has delivered the 2 algae necessary for that Coopertition bonus. 49-40 having a bit of a difficulty getting off the algae in the middle of the field here. Let's hope they can get that resolved before the end of the match. 56-72 continuing to consistently deliver those coral to L1. Under a minute left in the match. Can they help their friend off the algae? Being very careful. And they've got them free. Let's hear it for 56-72 coming back, bringing 49-40 right back into that match, and they grab that algae to deliver it to the processor. Guys, the scores are so tight right now. 37 for Red to 41 for Blue with 30 seconds left in the match. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. 68-75 making it awfully hard for 102-18 to line up and get those coral. 49-40 lining up for the climb, and they've climbed. They're off the ground for that Blue Alliance. 56-72 coming back to the parking zone. There are 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left in this match. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that will be time for this match. Really tight. Red's got 37 points to Blue's 43 points, so we'll have to see. Wait for your official score. All right, and let's take a look at your official scores, and it will be a Blue Alliance victory. But let's take a closer look. Wow, really close. Blue with 59 to Red's 43 points. Blue coming away with 4 ranking points. Red coming away still with that auto